Here's a reel I've created to showcase the before and after results and the steps I followed to add in the salonspy review. I always use CapCut. It's versatile and simple to use. And the first thing we're going to want to do is add the reel that we've already made into CapCut. We're then going to add a snippet of the video at the start and the end, and this will be where our review will sit. The video at the start, we're going to slow it right down so that it's in slow motion, and then we're also going to blur the background. This will make it easier to read the review that we place on top of the video. Our video will then be ready to add a text box, and in the text box we can add the review. There's 3 things that we want to make sure we're including in the review. The first part is a short snippet from the review. Make sure that you pick the best parts from the review that will grab the attention of viewers. As you can see, I've added an animation to this text box to make it stand out, and I've also moved it into the position I like on the screen. The second thing that you want to make sure that you're including in the review is the date. Customers only want to see up-to-date reviews. They also want to see who the review was from. This means that it comes from a real person and it makes it more credible. I've also added the same animation on this text box. I've now gone to the back of the video, and all I'm doing is blurring the screen and slowing it down the same as I did at the start of the video. And on this section, we're going to put our call to action in. It's super important that after showcasing your positive reviews and results, that you point clients in the right direction on how they can book or find out more information. I've done this by adding in another text box and just putting the salon information, so the telephone number or the ability to book online. I've also added in their logo and put a nice transition on it so the video flows nicely. And here's the finished result. Adding your reviews into a reel is a great way to use your reviews within your marketing. For maximum engagement, be sure to add trending music to your reel when you upload it to your socials.